Hey folks, Adam here, and I'm at the pool, and I cannot wait to tell you about this fantastic robot pool vacuum. Now you're just going to put this in the water. This has upgraded technology where all the dirt is going to get vacuumed up, a big basin for holding that dirt, and one of the largest batteries with an extended runtime that you won't believe. Now some of the coolest things about this, it's fast charging. A lot of those older robots, you're going to be charging them for a long period of time. This thing can do your larger pool, your above ground pool, your flat bottom pool in it can do it very quickly. And on top of that, I love the fact that it's got four-wheel technology, dual scrubbers, and an incredible amount of suction. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to put it in the pool right here, and we're going to kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. All right, folks, so this is really a fantastic pool vacuum. It's got blue hole technology, doubling efficiency with unparalleled suction power, and that DirtLock technology 2.0, ensuring swift drainage within 5 seconds, almost leak-proof, and it's going to get rid of all that debris. You'll see in this video that we're able to pull a ton of almost microscopic sand out of the bottom of this pool that we didn't even know was there. It's got unmatched coverage, achieving 97% floor coverage in a single run, enhanced storage, offering 30% more debris capacity compared to the competitors. It's user-friendly design, just push a button and this thing's going, and that self-parking capability is great, and I love being able to just grab onto the cord, pull it out of the water, and be done with it. I don't need to get in the water for this. It's very highly ranked, and people seem to love it. And of course, when you look at the lab test report, this thing ranks very highly for performance and efficiency. Again, it's got industry-leading suction power. You can experience their new technology, that cutting-edge blue hole technology, achieve unmatched suction and efficiency, 2 times improved overall performance, 4 times improved for leaves, and 7.5 times for that bigger debris. It's designed with potent, powerful motor, leaving nothing behind, the epitome of power and efficiency. It's got that DirtLock 2.0, that zero leakage with the 2.0 means that you're getting everything out of your pool. You're not just pulling it off the ground and pushing it into the water. It's got the smart sensor, the smart parking, self-parking, and LED. Experience the next level of pool cleaning with upgraded sensor technology. This thing can steer upon contacting a wall, swift self-parking when the battery is running low. And you know what? That cordless and upgraded 90-minute battery life is second to none. And you can say goodbye to tangled cords and messy hoses with the completely cordless model. Yeah. 90-minute battery and 3-hour charge time. This will work in a pool up to 850 square feet. So yeah, you can get it with confidence. These guys stand behind their product. They're stylish, sophisticated, and chic, and you won't be disappointed. I love the ease to clean, how lightweight it is, the battery life, and the overall suction power is incredible. With that 4400 mAh battery, this thing is perfect. So go check it out. You won't be disappointed. All right, folks, and with this extra long string here, this allows you to pull it out of the water very easily without getting wet. A lot of these you have to get in the water with it, but just a smart design here, you can pull it up and finish up. Now, to empty it out, it's a very easy process. You see the filter right here, and look at all the dirt that it just got in a matter of seconds. Disgusting, right? You're just gonna take your hose, rinse this out, and I love the size of the bin and how fine the filter is here for cleaning. All right, folks, my name is Adam. We're giving you the best products in all the land, and this is among the best of the best. So get it so you can forget the rest. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. All right, folks, now it's time for the up-close portion of the video for you folks that want even more about this fantastic product. Great brand, cordless robotic cleaner. New model, it's the 300P. Powerful performance, 90 minutes of working time, self-parking, and of course it is cordless, yeah. 11.1 volt, 2 amp output. Battery charger in a max of 30 minutes, that's incredible. Battery life, max of 30 minutes, that's incredible. Charging time only 3 hours. It'll work on an 850 square foot pool. Nice. At a water depth of 9.84 feet, that's 3 meters. pH level, waterproofing rating, working temperature and storage, straightforward, stylish, sophisticated, and it is oh so chic. So, does have some information, a quick start guide right on the top cover. It says, charge and set up. Submerge in the pool. After cleaning, rinse it out. Attach the handle. Turn it on, etc. Easy stuff. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So, here's your paperwork associated with it, including a straightforward manual. Introduction, packing lists, product structure, specs, pool cleaner information in full color. Comes with a floating handle so that way you don't have to get wet. That's smart. That's just a smart design, folks. I'm glad they thought of that. I don't want to have to get in the pool to chase this thing down. But a floating handle will do it for me, and that's nice. Taking it out here so you to see, for you to see. All right, looks like this is probably going to be the charging accessory box. Let's see what's in here. Oh, there's your handle. This is going to be for your stick. A lot of us already have that if you have a thing. A couple brushes for the bottom, for charging, standard. And of course, like they said, you don't have to jump in the pool. Just connect this. Way too smart of a design. So I assume I'll just tie this here. There might be other ways to tie it, but we're just going to tie it here for now. We got a straightforward pool robot that's ready to go. This guy already wants to take off on me. Now I'm going to give it a full charge before we test it, of course. And you can see you can open it out. Big fine filter there. It's going to get all the debris out of your water. And it looks like we're going to attach 2 brushes. That way it'll clean the floor. I assume these are just going to snap into place. Yep, that was easy enough. And yeah, a straightforward design. 4 wheels, not like 3. Some of them with 3 get stuck too easy. Big motor and battery. And that is incredible. All right, so it's going to jet through your water with style and sophistication. Folks, go pick one up. You won't be disappointed. These guys know what they're doing. The 300P is the new model out of New York, New York. Go check it out. You know I love and appreciate you. I'm gonna put that filter back in there before we leave. And that is incredible. All right, folks, thanks again for watching, and adios, amigos.